Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're doing some work with a water-fed pole, and we had a problem with the hose. What happens is when the guys pull on the hose, when it's connected to the machine, it always splits. Right here, where these guys are, you can see right there. You can see where it hit, and then we have water that leaks out there. When they pull on that, we always recommend to pick up that splitter when you're going to carry it around. So what we do is, just as a quick fix, we have these pre-made in our trailer, just a push fitting, same diameter of our pole hose. So all we have to do is go up and cut the pole hose, slide this on, gets us back working right away. Once we get back and we have time, or one of the employees has downtime, we can take this piece here, we can take that bad section of hose off, and then we can use a new crimp that we stock, all the different sizes, and we'll take that crimp and put it on the hose once we have time. So good recommendation is to just have extra pieces, quick push fit fittings to get you through the bind, and then once you have the downtime, you can go ahead and fix it at your own convenience rather than taking a guy off of working or whatnot. That's one tip. He's out here, Window Warriors Forum.